up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below, as well as hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as check out that join button. We've got lots of new member perks I would love for you guys to see, as well as our new merch store. Today's video is like a snow day video. My goodness, it has been snowing for like 8 hours here in New York, and I'm sad because they're out there getting rid of all the snow and I just kind of want to go play in it. But instead of playing in it, I am actually creating a shade video today. I know this is a full-on shade video. You guys are probably like, what? She only does shade in portions of her video. So full disclosure, just so you guys do not hate in the comments, I am not degrading any of these YouTubers that I'm going to be talking about. Again, I wish no ill will towards any of these YouTubers that I disclose in this video. So I just want to make that statement loud and clear. So if I hear any of you in the comments saying that I've talked bad about either YouTuber, I want you to go back and see this portion of my video. So today's shade is targeted at Ivy Park and Adidas marketing and PR team. As you guys have probably been seeing some footage on the new release of the Ivy Park and Adidas shoes coming out on certain YouTubers' pages, specifically Jacques, Slade, and Seth Fowler, you will have seen that they received a pair of shoes from the Ivy Park team directly. The issue at hand that I want to talk about is specifically these big, huge brands who are giving product out to different influencers in a very male-dominated arena, the sneaker and streetwear culture. So with that, I just want to give a little bit of background on the discrepancy of women, or lack thereof, of women who are represented in this space. So let me just, let me bring out the drawing board right now. So for those of you who are in the YouTube realm, you know that if I were to draw a lovely circle here, ooh, this is not the best circle, but we were to cut this pie and to talk about the streetwear community as well as the sneaker community, how many would you guess are females that are representative of the female population in that space? I would have to say it is going to be a sliver that maybe is about this big. Oh, you know what? Yeah, that was a terrible triangle, so we're just gonna clean that up right there. Right there. Maybe actually, let's just cut this in half, because those that are doing sneaker videos typically are women who actually have fashion YouTube channels, and they've decided to do maybe one-offs of a sneaker collection or how to style sneaker. So I would say that space is even tinier of a sliver. And the rest of this space is dominated by none other than men. So there you have it, a complete disadvantage that us females have in the sneaker and streetwear realm when it comes to the YouTube space. It is very hard then to get our content seen by those who are interested in seeing a female's perspective on either of these niche topics. So where I want to bring it back to the Ivy Park and Adidas discussion is that they are not actually looking at the rest of the female population on the YouTube space to actually be able to go over and discuss this new shoe launch. They are sending it to only males, which when I look at this specific shoe, I'm going to show you some images on how they decided to advertise it. No offense to Jacques Slade or to Seth Fowler. Even Jacques Slade said at the start of his video, it wasn't really a shoe that he could see himself wearing. And I honestly don't see Seth Fowler going out of his way if he hadn't been given these shoes to do an actual video on them. Just doesn't seem like his style. But if you actually go and you search Ivy Park, lots of amazing women have done these insanely great lookbooks on the brand. They have promoted the brand, they have shown it, disclosed how much they love it, but I haven't seen any of them receive a pair of these shoes. And I myself have also done Ivy Park reviews. I don't know that Jacques, Slade, or Seth Fowler have done Ivy Park reviews in the past, nor have I seen them wearing Ivy Park clothing. I have actually posted multiple pictures on my main account, on my Hype model account, as well as my YouTube channel wearing Ivy Park products. So I'm not sure where the marketing and PR team is searching for the right YouTubers, I guess, to market and really review their product. But I think that they're missing a huge portion of the female population that is very representative of their brand on the YouTube space. And so that is what this shade is all about, is really getting this word out there for everyone to get this brand to realize that they're not representing both genders, and it's unfair. It really is, especially if you were to look at the demographic that's actually purchasing those products. It's interesting to probably see the statistics on the consumers that are buying into the Ivy Park brand. And I believe that it's female dominated. I don't think that I'm saying necessarily no men are purchasing the Ivy Park products, but I do believe that it's a big, huge female population. And we should have the ability to be able to represent this brand and be given those products as well to help our channels grow too. But we're not able to grow if you're only sending product to a certain particular demographic. And that's where I ask you guys to really just comment below on your thoughts on whether or not Ivy Park should be also sending out these shoes to women in this space too, to have our voices heard. On a scale of growing a channel, I can tell you this for a fact. It's basically having this person who's been given the product, right? I'm drawing stick figures because I'm not the best drawer here. So this is a female who's basically trying to get into the sneaker and hype world of streetwear. And they're starting out a channel, but they haven't been given product necessarily. So they're just building it from scratch. They're going out, buying this product. As you guys have seen me vlogging, I'm going to the Adidas stores. I'm actually looking to see what Ivy Park is left over when I'm going to purchase products by Ivy Park and Adidas. And then you've got the person who's just over here who's been given the product. They have a huge head start on the YouTube space. Their video is going to get seen more and pushed more because obviously either they got the product early and they didn't have to pay for the product. So by default, of course, this person is probably going to get a higher average view rate. Their channel is probably going to grow higher. And this poor person back here is stuck waiting for maybe the product to launch, even trying to see if they can even obtain the product. And it's just about 100 times the amount of work that this person has to do in order to pump out that review on whatever it is they're trying to create content for. So I hope that Ivy Park and Adidas sees this content and knows that there are females that have voices out there, and we want to review products just like any other male out there in this sphere of YouTube. And I have to thank Seth Fowler because he's given me shout outs, and Roszko, who's given me shout outs on, really helping push my channel, because we need others out there that have these bigger platforms to show that there are females that are trying to get into this space, but we're getting lost. And for reasons like I showed you with these stick figures, we're getting lost under all this other content. And those who may be interested in seeing a female's perspective on a ShoeTube channel can't find it because we're under all of these other channels who have been handed the shoes or backdoored the shoes, or who maybe even are just paying resale to get the shoes early. So it's up to you brands out there to really help support the female community. And I just want to let any females out there who are looking to start a YouTube channel, my platform is here for you. If you need any assistance or any advice or help on how to grow and build a channel in the streetwear and sneaker world, I want to give as much advice as I can, because we need more females out there representing us in this realm. It needs to happen, and people need to start talking about this issue at hand, which is the lack of females in this space. So thank you guys for tuning into this shade. Let it be known in the comments below. Give this video a like, and all of these comments also help push these videos, you guys. So for those of you who want to support female channels, slap a like on there. It's gonna help our videos get viewed more. Slap a comment down there. Don't be afraid to comment, because comments help our videos get viewed even more as well. And also, if you guys are interested in just being alerted as soon as I have any content that I'm posting, which I do on a continuous basis, be sure to click that notification bell. But that is this video for today, you guys. I look forward to pumping out some new content this week, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Until next time, my name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will see you on the next video.